Choose the given sample company. Click on Entries and proceed to Incoming Invoice. Enter the vendor name by key and first alphabet. Key in the vendor invoice number. Click on Go to insert the product details. Enter the product description and amount. Choose Assign Purchase Now. Select the specific accounts type and category. Click on Paid Now to assign payment. Fill in all the information accordingly and click on Save button. Click on Save Invoice to save. Go to Auto Accounts tab below to log in. Select Sample Company and click on Entries. Go to General Ledger and select Unapproved GL. You can view your payment in Unapproved GL and tick Right button to approve GL. Once your GL is approved, you can view in Reports.